In today's video, I'll be explaining to you how you can solve this question. If you're new to this channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe so that you will be notified when I drop my next video. And at the same time, do well to like, comment. This motivates me to create more content like this. So now looking at this, what do you think we can do here? Or what do you observe? What I observe is that they have the same base. That is, they have 3 in common. And at the same time, we have 3 raised to the power 9 in 3 places. Okay, so what do you think we can actually do? So I can say this should be, since there are 3 in numbers, okay, then what are those values? 3 raised to the power of 9. Okay, the values are 3 raised to the power of 9. Let it be equal to 3 raised to the power of y. Then looking at this, I can say this should be 3, 1 plus 9 because they are being multiplied together, they are having the same base. And the power of 3 is 1, to be equal to 3 raised to the power of y. Now this can be 3 raised to the power of 10 equal to 3 raised to the power of y. 3 can cancel out 3, then y equal to 10. So that is the final answer to this question. Which means that if you definitely punch this in your calculator, 3 raised to the power of 9 plus 3 raised to the power of 9 plus 3 raised to the power of 9, it will be equal to 3 raised to the power of 10. So therefore, the value for y is equal to 10. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to like, subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video.